You should really try exercising sometime.
Yeah, it's just been really busy at the office lately. It's hard to go running.
It would help with your concentration. Maybe we could actually get this deal done faster.
Why? What's wrong?
We aren't making any progress.
Yeah, it bothers me too, but it's almost done, and after this, we won't need much more from you.
And what exactly do you need? Don't you have enough data?
Well, the partners actually aren't convinced that someone will come along and buy IonX after us.
You told me you fixed that problem. Why can't you just sell it to another private equity firm like you said you would?
Yeah, I was just thinking on my feet. Got them off my back for a while, but now they want something better.
I'll see what I can do. But I'm losing confidence in this deal every day. My managers can't be kept in the dark much longer. And by the way, you mentioned those partners. Why haven't I met them yet?
I believe you spoke to David. He's,
I want to meet Robert. I'm not moving forward until I meet the founder of your firm.
Well, he's busy with a couple portfolio
See you at your offices on Tuesday at 1 o'clock.
Are you sure you don't want to use a narrower stance for that?
So you're giving golf lessons now, too?
I teach you how to invest, but it seems like you forgot to do your homework. Can't learn without practice.
Have you seen the market lately? Nobody's doing deals.
When you came to us a year ago, you said the opportunities were endless. I guess the end was in sight after all. I just hate to leave cash sitting around in a bank account. It is such a waste.
Would you prefer that we bought mediocre companies instead?
No, Robert. I'd like you to use it to find undervalued companies, turn them around, and earn great returns.
Now, you know, we don't do distressed investing. It's not our specialty, and we're not going to waste your capital buying mediocre assets.
So you'd call the Smitherson and Oakley deal announced today mediocre?
Those were both distressed deals. We don't do those.
That's a shame. When do you plan to raise your next fund? Will you even have a next fund?
Maybe 3 or 4 years from now.
I hope your investment game improves more than your golf game by then, and maybe we can talk.
If you want to close a deal in the next 6 months, Robert, there's only one option.
IonX is not an option. We can never sell it to anyone else.
You heard Jason last time. Of course there's a buyer. We just have to flip it to another firm.
Well, that's assuming the market stays bad. Even if we did find a greater fool, what are the limited partners going to think? They're not going to be happy.
Sure they will. You just have to give them what they've always wanted. We both know why we really hired Martin.
I didn't want to use him that way.
Suzanne, can you get Martin in here? He's the new guy.
Sure, right away.
It's okay. There are no monsters. It's safe to enter.
I know.
You all right there, Martin?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. And thank you, thanks.
So Martin, we wanted to check in with you to see how things are going.
Yeah?
Do you like working here?
Yeah, it's good. It's a good experience. It's, you know, I like, it's the exposure. It's just, it's, like...
That's great. Listen, Martin, the reason we asked you to stop by today...
We wanted to find out a little bit about your family.
Your family's business.
He's an investor. He's He's an investor. He's. I mean, what do you want to know about him?
Well, it is what it is.
What? I'm not even close to a checkmate.
I'm talking about your mom and my condition. I know what she's making you do.
Well, can't blame her.
You're working yourself silly.
It's not a problem. She doesn't communicate things very well.
I know, but those long hours are getting to you.
It's not the long hours. It's, have you ever felt completely powerless? Or like no one really appreciates what you're doing?
Many times.
What'd you do?
Well, the majority of the times, nothing. What can you do?
I gotta go.
All right. Okay, go. What you and your mother are doing will help, but it won't change things. Hospitals are so slow, they'll probably forget what we owe them long after I'm gone.
Well, we're a long ways off till that happens.
Well, do your best, but don't try to do the impossible.
Yeah, I know just what to do. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, bye. Todd? Elbows. Elbows.
Oh, sorry.
So you guys made it in by 5 o'clock today. Color me impressed.
Byron, we're really sorry.
Quiet. Did I ask you for your input?
No, sir.
When I want your opinion, I will give it to you.
Yes, sir.
You guys were promoted what? About a year ago?
Yeah, about a year.
Yeah, we haven't done jack shit since then. The both of you, you're acting like you're senior partners already.
Byron, we do have a couple analysts below us, and I'm just trying to leverage everything I have here.
You can leverage all you want, but all you've been doing is strippers and blow every night.
No, not every night.
Byron, the market's really dead right now, and...
Do you know what I'm picturing? I'm picturing a dark, empty space. The room, it's devoid of life. You know what it's like? Do you? It's like your bonuses next year. I don't give a shit if the market's dead. The market could be as dead as a strip club on a Monday night. If we don't get deals, we don't get paid. Now, you guys are associates now. So the fun and games are over. If you don't start making some deals, you're not even gonna have bonuses next year. You know what that means? No more clubs, no more VIP, no more strippers, and no more Coke.
Bart, I don't even like Coke, I swear.
Quiet. You know what? It's really not that bad. Because from what I hear, the lines are a lot shorter at TGI Fridays. Because the lines are a lot shorter at TGI Fridays. The lines are a lot shorter at TGI Fridays. The lines are a lot shorter at TGI Fridays.
Right.
Didn't think I saw that one. Get out. No, get out.
Sorry, boss.
Silence is a virtue, Leonard.
I lost a few thousand betting on the Pats last year.
Why'd you do that? Don't you know that past performance doesn't guarantee future results?
It was either that or blow the money in Vegas instead.
Well, at least last year you had the money to blow.
You guys all right? Another round of tequila shots?
A couple Long Islands.
2 Long Islands?
Yeah. Bonus season is coming up, Jason.
Expecting coal in my stocking.
It'll be high quality coal. And there might be some real presents under your tree, too. We're gonna invest in IonX.
What? Since when? Why? How? There's no buyers.
Sure there are. We're gonna do what you suggested and flip it to another PE firm.
You guys must be desperate if you're taking my advice.
Oh, we are. But everybody's more desperate, so it might just work.
What about the limited partners? I mean, Robert seemed to think they wouldn't get behind this.
They're on board.
Did you drug them?
They're on board.
How big was the bribe?
No drugs or bribes required.
So, am I gonna get some sort of recognition for sourcing this deal?
That is up to Robert. But you might want to lower your expectations.
Lower my expectations. You do know that without IonX, without me, there'd be 0 closed deals and 0 exits this year.
You brought us the deal. I'll give you that. And we're very grateful for your work there, but a Hail Mary isn't worth much if you can't get it past the defensive line and score.
How exactly were you gonna do that?
Oh, not me.
Then who? Robert? Jim Kramer? Patrick Bateman?
You might want to ask Martin.